At exactly 5:42 p.m. on a Wednesday, Chad strutted into the gym like he owned the place. He had one goal: impress the woman on the treadmill, the one in neon leggings who ran like she was being chased by destiny. Chad didn't normally work out. In fact, he thought protein powder was just flavored sand. But today he was a man on a mission. He marched straight to the dumbbells, skipped the warm-up, and picked up the heaviest one he could find. His arms shook. His veins popped. A single drop of sweat rolled dramatically down his forehead. It was his moment. Then he sneezed. Not a polite sneeze. A violent, full-body, soul-leaving the body sneeze. The kind that echoes through the building and makes the janitor flinch. The weight flew out of his hands. He stumbled backward and crashed directly into a pyramid of foam yoga blocks. Everything went quiet. Then the woman paused her treadmill, walked over slowly, looked down at him tangled in the mats, and said, "Bless you, Hercules." She turned, adjusted her headphones, and jogged away like nothing happened. Chad has not returned to the gym since. But legend says somewhere in his closet lies a pair of 2-pound pink dumbbells and a crushed ego.